Hey guys, Min here. So today I am thinking about changing my lighting setup. So currently in my studio, I have few of these white lights. So I have a desk lamp that I reviewed a while ago. I got a couple of these spotlights for the table, and I have a light there. And of course I have the room lights. But I want something better. I want something a little bit more professional. So I got one of these lights from Amazon. So let's check it out, shall we? All right, I got the box here and I will open it up and see what's inside. So this is supposed to be like a 100-watt LED lamp. It's supposed to be remote controllable. So let's take a look. All right, so as you can see, this is straight out of Amazon. So it's from Sutefoto and the model number is P100BI. It says indoor and outdoor LED video light with 28,000K to 100,000K color and 6FX, 100 watts, 2.4 gigahertz, Wi-Fi, and also Bluetooth app on this side description. There is a QR code on this side, and there is imaging of what accessories comes with it. So it is a 100 volt to 240 volt, 50 to 60 hertz output. I think this is reversed. Input and output voltage is reversed. And on this side, there are the apps. So let me open up Photo app, and let me go ahead and scan this here. All right, App Store, and I will go ahead and download this. While this is downloading, I will go ahead and open this sucker up. Let's see what's inside. I'm excited. Okay, nice packaging. Another box, another package. Ooh, very nice. Look at this, huh? Little portable carrying case and Velcro top. Let's open this sucker up. And, okay, there is a strap, it's foam pad. This is the instruction manual. Okay, this is a light cone. I think this is the actual light. So what it doesn't come with is a power supply. Oh, it does come with a power supply. What it doesn't come with is it doesn't come with a stand. So you would need to provide your own tripod or stand, but here is the power supply. Here is the plug, and that's it. I thought there was a diffuser that comes with it. All right, let's open up this unit here and see what it looks like. So you got LED, 100 watt LED, you got a lot of coolant. You got this thing here. I think that's a battery pack. Oh. I think that's a battery pack spot, so you can actually make it completely portable. That's interesting. And there are some settings in the back. So this goes here, and yeah, you can switch to DC power. So that means you can actually plug in 2 batteries here and power this light. That's pretty cool. This is a little challenging because it doesn't use a standard tripod holder. So I need to have a post of some kind to do this. I think I have a tripod stand, so let me go find it and we'll try it out. So I found a tripod. Now it is not the full tripod that I'm going to use over there, but it is a tripod because I want to demonstrate an issue that I found. Now it may not be an issue, but it's just how these things are made. This is not your typical connection that you use on your tripod. Typically we have something like a 1/4 inch screw that we mount against a clamp or a camera or something. But here we have something bigger. If we're going to use a long tripod, we want something that we can attach to it. So I got these little adapters, and I'll put the links to these things below, where you can attach to this, and then you can just simply do that. See?
that makes it much easier. Now you can imagine put it on a much bigger tripod so that you can use a full standing regular tripod for this things. Now for my studio, I bought something like this. This basically is a very simple stand. It's from Amazon Basic, and it's a light stand, and this is a light, so it's exactly that. Basically, you just attach to this here, and you tighten this bolt, and there you go.
So this thing outputs around 58,600 lux within 0.5 meters. So in comparison, a 100-watt light bulb that's 0.5 meters away is around 318 lux. Yeah, that's significantly brighter. So let's check how bright it actually is. First, I need to be half a meter away to see how accurate it is. 50 centimeters away, that's half a meter. So let's go over here, 50 centimeters. Okay. Alexa, lights off. Let me record this here. If I turn this on, yeah, I guess 1791, 1782, 1780, 80, so forth. So, but if I move it closer, right, I get that. But if I get up to, right, 0.5 meters, I don't get the 58,000 that I was expecting. So regardless of what the specs said and what I recorded on this meter, I don't get the full 58,000 lux. So that's okay. So let's see what else we can do with this light. So I'll bring it down to about 2%, which is about, yeah, okay, 2%. This is 2%. This is 100%. This is 100%. This is 2%. All right. So with 2%, let's see what I can do with the app. So let me open up the app. All right. It will allow me to connect to Bluetooth. Yes. Add my device. Oh, it automatically detects it. So there's a checkbox on this app that I need to check on it and add to my device. And then now that should be added. And now it's connected. Okay, now it's connected. I can use the app to change the intensity. Ooh, that's cool. To change the color temperature. To be cool, warmer, cooler. And I can use effect. I can do lightning. Boom, boom. I can do fire. I guess it has a little flickering. That's pretty cool. I can do fireworks. Okay. I could do volt bulb. Oh my gosh. Strobe light. Okay, I could do TV. I don't know what the TV is. I don't see anything. I can do paparazzi. Increase the frequency. Oh, look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Increase the frequency. It's frequent flashes. All right. I think that's it. So I can actually use the app to group a bunch of these lights together. But this is just one of them. So this is pretty cool. Now, I can put this hood on, and to put it on is pretty simple. You just click on that and click. That's it. Now I should be able to, yeah, it should provide some directional lights. There we go, spotlights. That's pretty cool. I bet if I could put a diffuser on this thing, it probably works pretty well. So let me see if I can put a diffuser on it, and I'll be right back.
All right, so I got my diffuser or light box, and let's put it together. This light box is supposed to fit this thing. So yeah.
3 hours later.
All right, I'm back. So after a painful while, I did put my softbox tent together. Now what I want to do is put the diffuser on and attach it to the light.
What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
Woo! So I think there's another diffuser inside. Whoa! A little bright, but with the diffuser, it's all right. I may want to put in the second one in there. It needs two levels of diffuser to give it right. I'll be right back. All right, a definitely much more consistent light. If you look at it, it's much more consistent than before. You don't see a single dot in the middle. So I will have to look at the video to see how the actual quality is with the soft light on or without it when I used to have the smaller lights. So what I think about this light?
I thought this light was super bright. Now I know there are some numbers that the number of lux that the box says and number of lux that's measured. That could be my error, but regardless of what it is, it's still super bright. What I really like about this light is that this light, they got controls in the back that is completely adjustable, which I showed. Also, you can do the same controls on your phone. That is fantastic. And also, you can attach 2 external batteries to this and carry it with you. So you can take it anywhere. So that's super awesome. There are a few little things I don't like about it, simply because it may be my expectation was set too high. But you know, you gotta buy these batteries separate. You gotta buy the diffusers separate. And of course, the stands also separate. But it does come with a very nice bag that comes with a light cone, and everything can go fit in this. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, and also if you have any questions about this particular light or anything else you saw in this video, please leave them in the comments below. Oh, and one more thing, in the descriptions there may be some affiliate links to this light, and I think I may have a coupon code in there as well, so check it out. All right, I will talk to you next time. Bye.